This is our tutorial on how to install BestGrade software. The first step once you're at bestgrade.org is to go to the software page and then go to download. You can look through our set of BestGrade releases, pick the country that's best suited to you, and then click on the link. Here, you type in all the required information, such as your first name, last name, email address, and so on. Finally, you go and click Submit. So once we're done with that, we can go check our email address, and you should be receiving an email from us which should contain some of the files. So I see it up here. Click on the email, and then you'll see here a few links for some files that can be downloaded. So I recommend downloading all these files. For the moment, I'm just going to click the first link, Rwanda version 5.02 BestGrade installer. And then the file should end up in our download folder. So once the file is fully downloaded, we can open it up just by double clicking. Here, there's a set of instructions on how to install BestGrade once you have it open in Microsoft Excel. So the first thing I'm going to do is to activate the macros. And so I'm using Excel 2007, and the easiest way, assuming that there's a message box here, is simply to click on it, then go to Enable this content and click OK. Once I get through there, the next step may be to click on the arrow here and go to the next page of instructions. So for those of you who want to just avoid the option of having to go and click and install and enable the macros, you can go follow the instructions in method B here and change that step permanently. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and go on to click on the arrow. Here, I have three options for installation. One is to create a single file to manage all the classes for the school. One option is to create multiple files for each class level, zone, or head teacher. And finally, there's an option to upgrade an old BestGrade file to the new version. So for most of you, you'll be looking at the first option here. It'll prompt you now for a name of the file. I'm just going to keep it as it is, currently BestGrade 2015, and now I click OK. So now we need to wait a couple minutes just for BestGrade to install itself. Now BestGrade is ready to use.